this term will get cancelled, then this 2. So remaining terms can be written as log ni plus gi minus 1 minus log ni of dni is equal to 0. So here on a consideration, this ni plus gi is very much greater than 1. So we can neglect this one term in the next step. So log of ni plus gi minus log ni into dni is equal to 0. So next step I am going to bring this log ni term as first term. So equation will become minus log ni plus log ni plus gi into dni is equal to 0. Here I am going to change the sign throughout the equation. So equation will become log ni plus log of ni plus gi into dni is equal to 0. So this is equation number 6. So here this can be written as, since it is in log term, the minus can be written as division. So ni divided by gi into dni is equal to 0. So this is equation number 6. So we know that summation ni is equal to constant. Therefore, dni term is equal to constant. Likewise, summation alpha into dni is equal to 0. This is equation number 8. So alpha is here Lagrangian multiplier factor. So which depends on the attraction between the particles. So next is total energy is also constant. That is ni ei term is equal to constant. Therefore summation ei, this differentiation term, is equal to 0. Already we know that. So in this one we are going to implement summation I beta ei dni is equal to 0. This is equation number I mentioned. Next we are going to comparing equation 6, 8 and 9. It is we are going to adding it, not comparing, adding. We will get summation I log of ni by ni plus gi plus alpha plus beta ei, then dni is equal to 0. So this is sixth equation. Then eighth one we will have alpha dni, and for ninth equation beta ei dni. From 8 and 9 I have taken this term as constant term dni. Then here also dni will be there. So I have taken this term as a common one. Okay, this is equation number 10. Next is without summation. Next step I have written as log ni term plus alpha plus beta ei is equal to 0. Then log of ni by ni plus gi is equal to, if you bring this term to the right hand side, means this equation will become like this. So next, then removing the logarithm term, so ni by ni plus gi, which is equal to e to the power, if we take the logarithm, means then the right hand side automatically exponential term will be there, plus beta ei, which is equation number 11. So next it is upside down, I have to write it like that, ni by plus gi divided by ni, which is equal to, here since 1 by exponential of minus means automatically it can be written in positive sign, so e to the power alpha plus beta ei. Next is ni by ni plus gi by ni, which is equal to e to the power alpha plus beta ei, so this will become 1. Next 1 plus gi by ni is equal to e to the power alpha plus beta ei, and from this gi by ni is equal to e to the power alpha plus beta ei minus 1. So from this, once again, and we need ni is equal to gi divided by e to the power alpha plus beta ei minus 1. So this is equation number 12. So this is Bose Einstein distribution law. That is f of e is equal to ni by gi. So it means equation 12 can be written as 1 by exponential of alpha plus beta ei minus 1. So gi can be brought to the denominator in the left hand side. So this is equation number 13. Here we know that instead of beta we can substitute 1 by kt. Likewise, instead of Lagrangian multiplier factor, we can write it as mu by kt. Here mu is said to be the chemical potential energy of the system. Chemical potential energy of the system. So if there is no interaction among the among the particles which are present in the system means this alpha term can be written as 0. So equation 12 will become f of e is equal to 1 by e to the power, instead of beta I substituted 1 by kt. So ei divided by kt minus 1. Equation number 40. So this gives the Bose Einstein, Bose Einstein distribution function. Thank you.